Let us continue to test our knowledge on fractions. Here is the first main, fill in the blank. First question, 3 by 23 plus 4 by 23 plus 6 by 23. Here plus sign is mentioned, so we need to add all the three fractions. Yes, but when you observe here, the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, yes, it is called like fraction. Whenever it is like fraction, yes, denominator remains the same. Here 23 is the denominator, it remains the same. We just have to add the numerators. 3 plus 4 will be 7, 7 plus 6 will be 13. So here the answer is 13 by 23. Similarly, next question, here also in the second question, all the denominators are same. So we'll write the denominator as it is 19 and we'll add the numerators. 7 plus 2 will be 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13. So it is 13 by 19. Next one, yes, 8 by 13 minus 3 by 13. Here subtraction sign is mentioned. So we'll have to take away 3 by 13 by 8 by 13. Here also the denominators are same, so it remains as it is. Yes, from 8 we have to take away 3. So from 8 if we take away 3, we'll be left with 5. Similarly, next question, 9 by 17 minus 4 by 17. The denominator remains the same. From 7 if we take away, from 9 if we take away 4, we'll be left with 5. So the answer is 5 by 17. Here is the next main. Here we'll have to convert the following improper fractions into mixed numerals. So here these are given in improper fractions. We have to convert it into mixed numerals. To convert the proper fraction 7 by 3 to mixed number, yes, we have to divide the numerator, that is 7, by denominator 3. Let's divide 3, 7, 7. Now 3, 2 times will be 6. So 7 minus 6, 1. So we are left with 1. Here the quotient becomes the whole number part, right? So quotient will be whole number part, that is 2, and the remainder becomes the numerator. Remainder becomes the numerator and the divisor is the denominator, right? So here 2 1 by 3 is the answer. So 7 by 3 as a mixed number is 2 1 by 3. Similarly 54 by 7. So we'll have to divide 54 by 7. 54 by 7. So here 7 times is 49. 7 8 times will be 56. So we'll go with 7 times 49. 49 minus 54 will be 5. So here the whole number is 7 and the remainder is 5 and the denominator is 7. So the answer is 7, 5 by 7. Here are two more questions. Again, 99 by 8. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called as improper fraction, right? So here we have to divide 99 by 8. 8 one time is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 9. We are left with 19. 8 twos are 16. 19 minus 16 will be 3. So here the whole number is 12 and the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 8. So here 99 by 8 as a mixed number is 12, 3 by 8. Similarly, 163 by 11, 163 by 11, 11 one time is 11, 11 two times will be 22. So 11 one time is 11, 16 minus 11 will be 5, bring down the 3, we are left with 53 now. So 11 4 times is 44, 11 5 times will be 55 which will be more than 53. So we'll stop for 4 times, that is 44. Now 53 minus 44 will be, yes, 9. So here 14, 9 by 11 is the mixed number of 163 by 11. Next main, convert the following mixed numerals into improper fraction. First we converted from improper to mixed numeral. Now we'll have to convert from mixed to improper fractions. So here are the questions. First question, 3, 3 by 4. To convert mixed number 3, 3 by 4 into an improper fraction, we have to first multiply the whole number, that is 3. We'll have to multiply with the denominator, that is 4. Yes, so here whole number into denominator first and then add with the numerator. Yes, and the denominator remains the same. So here whole number is 3, denominator is 4 plus numerator is 3 by 4 itself. So here 4 3 times becomes 12. 12 plus 3 by 4. 12 plus 3 equals 15 by 4. So here 3 by 4 as an improper fraction is 15 by 4. Similarly, for 9 3 by 8, first we'll have to multiply the whole number into denominator, that is 9 into 8, and then add with numerator by denominator itself. Here 9 8 times will be 72. 72 plus 3 will be, yes, 75 by 8. Next, two more questions are there. 4 5 by 12 needs to be converted into improper fraction. So here whole number into denominator, that is 4 into 12 and plus numerator, that is 2 by denominator. Now 12 4 times will be, yes, 48. 48 plus 2 by 12. 48 plus 2, 50 by 12. So here 4 5 by 12 as an improper fraction is 50 by 12. Similarly, 3 into 15 plus 7 by 15. 3 15 times will be 45. 45 plus 7 by 15. 45 plus 7 will be 52 by 15. So here 3 7 by 15 as an improper fraction is 52 by 15. This is how we can convert mixed numerals into improper fractions.